What you're gonna do, once they're all pointing out, you're gonna push these down until they snap in. You're gonna push each one of these down.
Oh, so they're already screwed in?
Yeah, no, that's the way. These are our snap-ins.
Oh.
So go ahead and start on these two at the end. Push them both down. Push them down straight, all the way down. Hold on, okay. Let me make sure they're in line. Yeah, they're set. All you gotta do, like I said, just push them in. Both like
at the same time?
No, this one. No. This one and this one. Like that. Push them at the same time. Did you hear him snap?
I heard this one, but this one didn't move.
Yeah, right now we'll go that one. We'll do this one. This one's already secure. This one's snapping?
No. Do all computers come with the fans covering the processors, the CPUs? Because
yeah, they have to.
I mean, snap.
Pause the camera to do that.